Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Well, another chop. Yeah, we never broke out of the triangle, never took out the D wave low, never took out the B wave low. So instead, Bitcoin performed a bit of a U-turn, but nothing that would be outside of the scope of our triangle count. Yeah. In the previous video, we looked at a possible move to the downside, a further continuation to the downside, but it became a 3-wave drop, not a 5-wave move down. And overall that indicated then quite quickly that this could become another 3-wave move up, which it has become now. Yeah, so where we said that the E wave possibly was complete here, it has now become just an extended E wave. Yeah, and the possibility I also, of course, made you aware in the previous video. The problem is when you have a structure that is 3 up, 3 down, then you're just gonna continue with a sideways mess, and this became now as well, at the moment at least, a 3-wave move. So it needs more patience. As long as we are within the triangle, I did explain that just now in the Ethereum video as well. Please take everything, or at least as long as we're in the range, as long as we're dealing here with corrective structures. Please understand that everything I'm telling you in the video here is only temporal. The situation can change so quickly. Yeah, even after the video, I might see a move that wasn't there before the video or while I made the video, and my view can change because we are in a corrective situation here, in a corrective sideways range. And when you deal with a 3-wave move up, a 3-wave move down, 3 up, 3 down, then you don't have a clear trend direction, and the market hasn't made up its mind yet. So we need to be and continue to be aware of the relevant breakout points. We need to be aware of the often clearer, higher degree time frame and higher degree scenario in which we are in an A, B, C structure. The B wave could unfold as triangle. I have no reason to believe at the moment it could be something different. I know it can be something different, but it adheres just nicely to the Elliott Wave triangle count. And as long as we're not breaking or invalidating the triangle, I'm going to remain focused on my triangle that actually has been valid now for basically a week. So yeah, the forecast was sideways movement, and even today's interest rate decision hasn't really changed anything. We've seen a little bit of volatility, but not more than we've actually seen over the last week or so. 25 basis points, of course, so not really anything that would be a game changer, just a bit of a non-event today. And I would like to see the range breaking here at some point, because until we break the range, it's going to be boring. And we've been in this range now for a little while. It would be really good to make some progress in the chart. But again, the current scenario is an ABC correction in a wave 2. The idea is, okay, we are in a B wave now, but B wave could be unfolding as a triangle, but we need a signal for that. If we break above our signal level at $30,000.50, we would see a higher B wave most likely. So the count is either ABC as indicated here, or A wave with a higher B wave and then down in the wave C. But to believe that, I need to see a break above $30,050. At the moment, we're just in the triangle. The idea is, for anybody who might be new, or anybody who missed previous videos, the idea is that the triangle breaks to the downside, or at least that even if we make a higher B wave, we are eventually going to see that C wave down deeper into the yellow support zone. And here we have support between 25,325 and 22,050. Looking at the triangle itself, it is again quite full. And the previous video, I think the first video today, we said it's already a full triangle. Of course doesn't, because the E wave was, we could count it complete, which doesn't of course mean it will break down, but it's then the time to start watching. The risk always exists that within the scope of a triangle, the triangle wave count can extend. And that's happening now. And I've modified the count here on the lower time frame in an ABC structure, a larger one, or also possible as WXY. And what was the target again? So we did talk about targets before for that E wave. We take the length of the C wave, go to the low of the D, and we're looking for the 61.8 extension. I think I communicated that target yesterday. If you've watched any videos from yesterday, 29,340. Reacted now to that Fibonacci extension level, which is quite common for an E wave. But all we need to do is now to be patient, yeah. So market needs to tell us in which direction are we breaking. Breakout point to the upside should be clear. That would be an invalidation of the triangle. If we break from here to the downside, it would be a confirmation that the triangle is moving in the direction that we want, which is down. And yeah, we would have first indication it is breaking with a move below 27,655 and a better confirmation below 27,210, which is the B wave low. And if we break that, then the triangle is really officially broken to the downside, and we would continue our path lower in that C wave of wave 2. Yeah, that's the situation with Bitcoin at the moment. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.